All right, Professor Liu is going to show you how to do number 4. Number 4, we switch to a Windows program. We use the input box to ask, what is your favorite name? Then user will answer in the box a name, and we use the answer, whatever user's answer will save into a variable string, and we're going to display that. Okay, so I'm going to copy number 4 right here. It's okay. I am going to come right here, and I'm going to select, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to say file, new, Java project. It's okay. And this is chapter 1, homework. I'm going to call this input box. Okay, input box. Input box. So I finish. I don't want to create, so don't create. It's okay. And make sure I remember the input box name right here. Double click, go to source, right click it, and new. And I'm going to new class. Okay. And I'm going to call this input box. Chapter 1 homework input box. And I also want you to have public stack void main. Alright, so this time I'm going to put slash star and star slash. So this for me to put comments. And I'm going to put right here. Okay. So use the input box and display this and that, blah blah blah. And I probably don't need to put this code here, and later I'll delete it. Okay. So now we're going to do the let me just delete them right now. Okay. All right. So now that's your question right here. All right. So we're going to, by the way, at this time, I want to show you, it's very long. So you probably need something to word wrap. You probably need to word wrap it. And I'm going to show you how to word wrap it too. Okay. So we're coming back here, and I need you to go to module. Okay. Then all right, sorry, let's go module. There is a how to word wrap in Eclipse. You click it. All right, so we're going to go to Eclipse install software, and we add, but we need to have this URL, so we have to copy this URL. Okay, Control C. So I coming back right here. So I window. All right, so sorry, help. All right, then right here in the help here, then we're going to install new software. Okay, I already have it. Okay, then you are going to do this. You are going to copy this thing, Control V, and you're going to add, sorry, right here, Control V. All right, then you're going to add it, add, sorry, right here, Control V, and you're going to add it. All right, so I already have it. Okay, so let me double check one more time. Let me do it one more time. Okay, so Windows, and I'm going to, sorry, help, install new software. It's okay. Then right here you want to do add. All right, and this URL is this. Okay, and you want to add. already have it. Okay, so let me see. Do I see why? Um, uh, I already have it. Okay, so once you have it and you right click it and you just say war wrap right here. All right, so it will war wrap for you. Oh, make sure you have this. Now, yes, now we're going to do this right now. Okay, so this program is a little bit more complicated, so we are going to do it slow to make sure you understand. All right, so first of all, I need to go back to my program. Okay, you need to understand that. I will show you how to war wrap one more time. Okay. All right. So this program, we need to understand this. So first, I want you to create a data type called string. Okay, string. All right, so let's do it together. So let me make sure they are together. You can see. All right, so what you're going to do is you type string and strn string. That's a data type. And you're going to create, say, name. All right, so data type. And it comes from J O uppercase L option PANE pen dot show input dialog box. Input dialog box. So into a dialog box you want to put a message, right? The message is what is your name? And you can put a question mark. Alright? Then then the input box will show and you put your name. Then you want to put in the J option. Now once you put this, you see the J option pen already input for me. Then I'm going to say this J option pen the show message box. I want to show message box right now. The message box here, the parent, no parent, okay? The message here, instead of message here, I want to put name here, okay? Or I can type like this. You just put name here, okay? Put name here. All right. So after you finish, this is a window application. So you run this application, Java application. You got a input box and you put your own name and hit OK. Then you have a message box, show your name here and hit OK, it goes away. Alright, then let's create a jar file. So export it, runnable jar. Next, make sure this is correct one. Do I call this one? Oh, I put input box, right? So here, the jar I'm going to call input box jar. Input box. I don't need to put jar. Jar will generate automatically by the system. So finish. I finished this one right now and coming to my desktop. Look for my input box jar. Then in my input box jar right here, I click it and it will run because it's a Windows program. I have Windows 10 right here. So I don't need to use command line to write for me. So I push in and Liu. And I hit OK. Then
Word. I'm not saying word.
Alright. So that's your number 4 program. Okay. Now I hope you can do it.